In this video, I'm going to show you how to purchase your domain name on Creative 21 Hosting. So Creative 21 Hosting is our platform that we own. We sell domains and hosting to our clients that we build websites for. So you may be one of our clients or one of our students that is going through our lessons, and I'm going to show you how to do just that. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that, suppose you have thought of your business name that you want to register, or if you're not sure, go ahead and ask in our social group. So in this case, I'm going to type in C21 demo. I need to create a demo website for the lessons that I'm actually doing, and I'm actually wanting to purchase this. So I just hit search. Once I hit search, you are going to land on a page that looks like this, and in this case it says demo. C21 demo is unavailable. What it simply means is that someone has actually registered this already, but here it actually, on the search, it actually shows that there is C21 demo.co.uk is available. You can actually purchase that, and this one is available, unavailable.net, available.co.zw for the companies in Zimbabwe. Yes, you can actually get that. Okay, so what I want you to understand is that if it's unavailable, it simply means you have to kind of be creative and change the name here, and make sure that it's easy to remember based on the other lessons that you have gone through with us. So in this case, I'm going to type in Creative 21 Studio. This is what I need to go with, and what I need to do is to change here, and search. As you can see, that Creative 21 Studio is available. Creative21studio.com is available. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit purchase, and then I'm going to hit checkout. Once I click checkout, you are going to be presented with a page like this. And the first thing that I need to talk about is the hosting. I'm going to do a separate video on how to purchase hosting. This time I need to focus on just the domain. And remember, on one of our lessons, we said the domain is 1 year. Okay, it's, you pay on a yearly basis, or some companies charge on a monthly basis, but ours we charge on a yearly basis. And then there is what is known as DNS management, ID protection, and email forwarding. Some companies, these external or other offers, they do sell them, so it's not going to cost you anything. So just click on add and add. When it comes to name servers, if you've got your own name servers, you can actually add your own name servers here. But since you're going to be using our same platform again to host the website, we are going to leave the name servers as there, and then I'm just going to click on continue. Once I click on continue, just because you are our client or our student, we're not going to give you the front price. I just want you to enter a promo code. Okay, I just want you to enter a promo code here where it says apply promo code. I want you to say payless. Okay, so this promo code is valid for life. When you need to renew, it's a recurring 35% discount. This is now your price that you are going to pay. So what I need to warn you though is that you may choose to not to buy your domain from us. Okay, but I'm going to explain later on. Let me just continue and purchase this domain. I'm just going to hit checkout. Once I hit checkout, I'm going to be presented with these form page where I'm supposed to enter my details, and I'm going to do just that. So I've entered the details that I've entered: my name, my surname, the phone number. I had to cover some of the places for privacy. Okay, and if I scroll down here, you're going to notice that you can also select to use the information above as your contact details. And then if you need to generate a password, you can just click here on generate password, and then once you generate the password, you copy, and then what you do is you paste here. Okay, and then this is the total that you're supposed to pay. And once done, you can actually select to join our mailing list, or if you've got any additional notes, you can actually add here. Select here that you need to pay through Stripe with a card, and put your card details here. And if there are any other options that we may add in the future, you can actually follow them. And then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead with complete order, and then I'm going to wait. Once you have purchased the order, what you need to do is to go to client area. So if you click on client area, you're going to realize that you have this, which I'm going to be talking about on a later stage. So as you can see that there is one domain. However, what you need to do at this stage is to go into your email account and confirm a couple of things from the emails that have been sent to you. The first thing that you need to do is you're going to receive emails from Creative 21 Hosting, and there is also WebCity. This was the former name that we used to use, so we are going to update that. So the first email that you need to check is the verification email. This is verify your contact. Okay, so once you go there, you're going to see that you need to click here to verify the domain, and once you do this, it's done. And then you go back again, and what you want to do is to confirm your email address again on this one, and then you just click here to just say you confirm your email address. The reason why we do this, or any platform that sells domains, why they do this, you need to confirm your email address, is so that you receive emails or notifications about your domain. So remember, you are building a business, and some of our clients, they kind of forget to update information on their websites, and they end up, saying that my domain expired, my website is not online. This is for that reason. So once you do that, you click on client. And the next thing that you want to do is you want to open the other emails and read what the information is there. So now that you have purchased the domain, we're going to go to the next step, where we are going to purchase hosting. Okay, but let me explain what I wanted to explain in the early stage of this video, to say that one thing that you need to take note of is when buying a domain, you need to be aware of the recurring fees. When I'm talking about recurring fees, I'm saying what sort of recurring fees will I be paying in the future. Okay, so a lot of platforms, they can say your domain is going for 0.01. okay, your domain is going for $0.01 for the first year. But if you need to check on that, now you may realize that once your domain expires, you might be paying maybe like something like $20 per year, because this is just the entry point that they give you just to get the customer in. So I've had issues with a lot of clients that face that challenge. When they buy a domain for 1 penny or 1 cent, and when it comes to renewal, they're like, why is it my domain is being charged a lot of money like that? I didn't sign up for this, and things like that. But the offer that I gave you at Creative 21, the domain price remains like that. It doesn't change in the future, because you have actually been watching this video. So what I want you to do is, even if you choose to use any other platform, you can go ahead and use any other platform to purchase your domain. If you so choose, you can use our social group to ask questions and things like that. You can choose to use any other platform, but I want you to be aware of this. And also there could be some things that you need to be aware of, and look at those details, like especially the recurring fees. With that said, that's how you buy the domain from our platform. And go ahead and purchase your domain, and let us know what you have actually done. And with that said, let us look at buying hosting. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, please go ahead and ask within our community. We're more than happy to help you, and thank you.